Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So first up, you just need to go to your browser and go to Shopify account, log in with your account here, and then go to your themes. As you can see, if you're going to click on this menu, we have some menu or drop-down menu right here. So to create this one, just go to dashboard, go to online store, and select on navigation. Here in navigation, select on main menu, or you can add a menu here. And then as you can see, I have this drop-down menu. So I'm going to delete this all first so I can show you how you can create this one. All right, so delete and remove this. Now add a menu item right here. And then click on, for example, this one here is all items. All right, and then search or paste the link. So this was, for example, all products, and then click add at the bottom right. Now add another menu item. We're going to click on it. This one here is a men's shirt, just an example. Right. And then paste a link. So this one, I'm going to the collection, go to men's shirts. Right. You can basically add a specific product if you want. For example, this one is a woman's dress. You can go to paste a link and go to specific product that you want to put it right over here. Or in my case, I just want to add the collections. So which is women's dress, and then click add. And then another one here is accessories, right? And here I'm going to add the balloon product here, which is the jewelry. And as you can see, we have the menu items. Now to create a sub menu or drop down, drag and hold right here, drag and drop right here at the bottom of all items. Again, drag and drop. And this one, drag and drop at the top of those menu items. So as you can see, once you've done, click on save, and we have just created the drop down menu. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.